After a rough childhood of scattered compliance and confusing specifications, USB-C is starting to, well, work. In particular, USB-C PD power delivery has rescued our batteries from Nintendo's Switch, quickly loaded our iPhone XS irony, yes, and finally has given us a fast portable charge for the hungry 15-inch MacBook Pro. The new Griffin USB-C universal docking station as the 9-to-5 Mac detects adheres to the USB-C PD 2.0 specification and provides up to 85W of power for the official Apple charger for the 15-inch MBP87W Go. The base provides a Gigabit Ethernet port, 4 USB-A 3.0 ports, HDMI and an audio jack. That's not much connectivity for $199. By comparison, the $299 OWC dock includes some nice products like PDIF and FireWire 800, extra Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports and, most importantly, an SD card reader. Unfortunately, the OWC Thunderbolt 3 dock only provides 60W for charging the laptop. The Elgato Thunderbolt 3 dock has a load of 85 watts and several ports, but it costs $275 and does not include an SD card reader either. All these options are an expensive way to make your laptop complete, while offering a convenient plug-and-play scenario. A cable charges your laptop and also powers the USB hub, peripherals and the external monitor. The dream. An expensive dream, as it turns out.